Today's Midday Kentucky Cooking segment brought to you by Creative Kitchen and Bath, where you will always cook in style.
Welcome back to Midday Kentucky, everyone. Over here at Creative Kitchen and Bath, where you can find, not only if you want to have a brand new kitchen, but renovate your kitchen and bath, this is the place.
I love how I'm an elbow rest for him, don't you?
Really?
Yeah, it's just the perfect height for your
Didn't
elbow.
they say that back in Australia? Oh, it's the perfect stubby holder.
Like I'm supposed to know.
Do you know what a stubby is?
No.
A beer.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
All right, well, it's that time of year again.
For what?
Back to school.
Oh.
Gosh, it's just...
Well, that's good. Parents are probably glad to be rid of the kids.
Parents are, but there's so much that goes into planning and getting back into that routine for a parent.
What you're telling me is you're going to be busy.
It's not fun, and it's mornings, and it's early,
All right.
and it's getting the kids ready, and getting them dressed, and getting all their backpacks full, and getting their lunches done, and then trying to get them fed before they get out the door. It's just not easy sometimes, some mornings.
You decided to have them.
True enough, and I could not imagine my life without them. So this is a little breakfast prep, something simple, something easy. You can prep ahead. Maybe on Sundays you can just pop them right out of the fridge.
I love that.
Let the kids even heat them up themselves.
Yep.
And honestly, this is something the kids can make. So this is little Canadian bacon, right? So we pick
it's
up
bacon?
Yeah, the Canadian bacon.
I've been eating that raw.
No, it's cooked. It's cooked, but it's Canadian bacon is what it's called. And you are going to make your little egg, your cups.
Oh, I love them.
You're going to make your cups with your Canadian bacon.
Yep.
So you're just going to kind of put that in the
I
bottom.
got you.
And that's going to become your shell. So it's gluten-free. It's going to crisp up. It's going to be perfect. I'm going to take some eggs. I'm just going to scramble.
Where'd you get this from?
I don't know.
Oh.
I never know where.
I love the idea of this.
I had some Canadian bacon in the fridge. I had some eggs. I thought this is a perfect little thing. I've done this with prosciutto as well. So you could do little prosciutto cups as well.
That's probably better because, oh no, that's processed meat as well.
Yeah. All right, so I'm going to take some eggs, and we're just going to break our eggs up and whisk them. I, of course, like a little spice, like a little flavor.
Oh, I just put a hole in that one.
You're okay. So we're going to add some salt, some pepper. I've got a little bit of chopped garlic, and then a little bit of red pepper flake. Another thing I've done, if you like that buffalo flavor, that Frank's Red Hot is a great like buffalo for buffalo egg cups. You could add that in. I'm just going to give it a little whisk.
Do you know I never knew what buffalo wings were?
You thought they were buffalo. You told me that
did
once.
I tell you that? Look at me. We've been cooking too long.
That's all right.
Why come up with the same
Almost
stories?
2 years, yeah.
Coming up with the same stories.
Oh, all right. So once you have your egg cups,
How many do you want me to make?
that's fine, right there.
Good,
and then
I'd like to eat this piece.
And I'm just going to take a little bit. If you have a spout, it might be a little easier, but we're just going to fill those with the egg. And then if you would, chop a little bit of that green onion. I love a little garnish, so I thought a little green onion on top. And then these are going to bake off in the oven, I would say roughly about 375, maybe 400. Really just to cook the egg. It's going to kind of puff up a little bit.
Yeah.
And then, like I said, these can go in the fridge. These can be you know, in the refrigerator for the week, and the kids can just pop them out, put them in the microwave, and just be ready to go. And this is a keto-friendly breakfast as well.
I'm making this.
So we've talked about doing the keto diet, and it's really about the good fats and the high fats, but no carbs. And so this is extremely low carb. This is going to give you some protein, and just be filling, you know, to kind of break your fast.
How many of these would you eat for breakfast?
Well, see, when we talk about keto, and this is something else, we've been talking a little bit about intermittent fasting. And so this would be something I would eat later in the morning to kind of break my fast. So I might do 2 of these, maybe with some avocado. That would be a perfect little breakfast, right?
Ooh.
Yeah, so a little sliced avocado over this, and you'd be great to go.
I would have to, where do you buy this meat?
Kroger, yeah, anywhere.
Yeah, but where? In the meat department?
This would be probably near your breakfast. Yeah, near your breakfast bacon. Yeah, it would be still in the same area.
Can you use another type of meat? Or is there something like a hare? No. What about the chicken, the round chicken meat and stuff?
I don't know about round chicken meat.
You know,
but maybe turkey you could use if you were wanting, but still they're all pretty processed. So prosciutto I think would probably be your best.
Yeah.
But this is uncured.
What does that mean?
Well, it doesn't have the nitrate, so it's nitrate free. So you can find a nice Canadian
How
bacon.
long are you baking this for?
Maybe 10 minutes.
All right.
Ready to go.
If you want to find out about this recipe and many more, head over to wtvq.com/Midday Kentucky. Click on the recipe tab. All the information's there. Find Chef Allison Davis on Instagram. Back after this short break, everyone.